I know how to type faster, but after I found this app, I literally don't type at all on my laptop. And I'm gonna show you this app, and it's completely free to get started. And once you get started with this one, you will never go back to normal typing. So the app I'm talking about is fluidvoice. Once you download it, it's gonna look like something like this. Voice engine. This is the first thing you need to do actually. Once after you download it in the voice engine, so if you're using Mac, it's gonna by default it's gonna enable the Apple legacy one, so this one. But I will say just scroll down a bit and you're gonna find parakeet version 2 for English. If you have like multilingual, if you use different languages, just select this one. It's gonna download the model in your own device. That's pretty much it, and you're ready to get started. AI enhancement. So that means, you know, when I'm talking with you, it's lots of filler words, is the flow is not good at all. If you want to have like a proper organized output as soon as you finish talking, you can actually add the AI provider in the AI enhancement. So by default it's going to use this one, the fluid engine. So if you have Apple devices, you can download it. It will run locally, but I will suggest you not to use this one. Instead use like groq with the Q, not the K. Click this and it's going to ask for your API key. So you need to go to groq website, then just start building. It's completely free to get started, and the free plan they give is way more than enough. Then you have to go to the API keys, then create API key, and then you can write a fluid voice video, and set no expiration, and then go to submit, and it's gonna give you an API key. Make sure you don't lose the API key because you can get access to it again. Although you can come here, create a new API key, and then paste it there. That's up to you. And click copy, then paste it into this box, and then press enter. And then you can just select any model you want. I would say just use the 8 billion instant model of Llama 3.1, and that's it. But if you don't want it, just delete it and press enter. You can go to advanced prompt. So this is the prompt. So if I go to the built-in, you can see the prompt. So it's gonna just clean up the filler words. It will have the instruction how to have a clear output of your voice. So from your raw voice, it's gonna have a clear output when you paste it in any text field. You can keep it as it is. The reason is I don't use it because, you know, if I speak in something, by default if I go to voice engine, it's going to automatically remove the filler words. So I guess it's best it doesn't like modify my voice what I'm trying to say. That's why I just keep it disabled. And then we have the custom dictionary. So if you have any words, so for example, if your name is hard, AI always get your name wrong, then you can actually add your name here. You can train it by voice, so it actually trained from your voice, or you can just add it manually, so you can how to actually write it. Then we have the command mode. It's much more for like advanced user. If you don't want to go into the advanced mode, do not use this one. So I'm just going to skip it because I even don't use this one. If you want it, you can just go to their website, learn more about it. And then in the file transcription, so this is one of the game changer. If you have any voice that you recorded, just drag and drop, and it's going to give you all the transcription here. It will be super accurate. In the history tab, you can see all the past voice transcription that you used. So yeah, you're going to get the transcription details, all the application it was used. So I used this on anti-gravity. AI didn't process it. That means this one, AI enhancement, I disable it. And also characters and audio. No, I don't save the audio, but in the settings they also have the options to save the audio. And in the state, you can see today I actually talked about 1832 words. It saved me 10 minutes. Time saved around 2 hours 26 minutes. So it's fairly new because I've been using Spokenly and Handy and some other apps. So I have like 30,000 45,000 words a week. And then you can also see the insights, like top apps you have been using the app. So Dia is my browser, anti-gravity I've been using for my AI agentic works, and Framer is my web designs. You see all the stuff here. So if you go and click getting started, you test run. So if I say stop recording, if I just so okay, so this I'm trying to add some filler words like so this is a quick running fox jumps over by a lazy dog. Okay, so my name is Mubin, and this is a test of the fluidvoice app. I know it's a way good app. It's super fast. As I'm using the parakeet model, it's gonna be instant. The moment I'm gonna press stop recording, you can see it automatically it will automatically paste all the text. Stop recording. Is done. You can see it's removed all the filler words, not filler words like and those kind of words, and just pasted it. That's it. It's so fast if you use with parakeet model. And I will just gonna go to the settings page very quickly. You can have like accent color change, and you can just keep it all this thing as default. You can also change the shortcut key by saying like add shortcut, and that's it. To be honest, you don't have to actually worry about this edit mode or command mode. Or enable this one, copy to clipboard. So if you have like copy to clipboard, so it will always be in your clipboard, so you can paste it again. Enable this transcription history, so it will keep saving the history here. This is the overlay. So if you're using like a MacBook with notch, I would highly suggest to have this one, say compact, and in the notch style. So if I press one, you can see at the top this one, it's gonna say like it will have the real-time transcription of what you are saying. Go from notch to normal one, this one bottom screen. And if I press okay, so you can see this one. So this is the waveform, large wheel shape. Now you can see all the text, I can see it in real time. So this how fast it is. If you never used a transcription tool like this, or if you use Whisper Flow previously, and if you want to look for a alternative that is completely free and open source, I will highly suggest to use fluidvoice. I tested all the options out there in the market. This is one that I loved the most. And if you want to know how you can make an app as a beginner, watch this video. I gave you a complete walkthrough, step-by-step guide to do and build your own first app that you can share with your friends. Till then, start creating and live your poor but broke life.